I'm Lindsay Del Carlo, the trial garden manager for Renee's Garden Seed here in wonderful Felton, California. And today I'm going to go over cutting zinnias for bouquets. I have here a lovely zinnia bouquet from our giant stand of Renee's State Fair gold medal zinnias, and I will show you how I go about cutting them. So I pick what flowers I want to cut, and I try to choose flowers that are on the younger side. You can tell these are, they're newly opened. Some of the petals are still raveled in the center. I tend not to cut older flowers for bouquets. You can tell when they're getting a little older because the inside flowers are coming out, and then you can tell the older petals are starting to get a little brown, and those flowers just won't last as long. So I tend to cut flowers on the younger side, and then your bouquet will stay for more than a week. So I choose my flower and I cut my stems pretty long. This allows you to make bouquets that are nice and open and airy. Zinnias tend to want to arrange themselves in tight little roundy-moundy bouquets if you cut the stems too short. So I try to cut them pretty long. So when you're cutting your zinnias, you want to make sure to cut the entire stem down to the leaf axil. The axil is where you see the branching happening. If you cut above the leaf axil and leave a piece of the stem like this will just die off here. Nothing will grow back from here. So you want to cut this completely out. And if you don't leave any dead stem, that just helps your plant even more to come back and bloom again. And a note about older flowers on your plant too, when you're going to cut your bouquet flowers, this is also a chance to do a little deadheading. So you can go through and just cut out flowers that are a little old and just discard them. You can even cut further down on the stem if you really want to control the height of your plants. This keeps them kind of just tidy. To prepare your flowers for a bouquet, you want to take the stem and you hold it by the top, and then you want to strip the leaves off. You don't want to keep too many leaves on your stems because it doesn't give you enough space to arrange your flowers. So when you have all your flowers together, I start with the long stems first and I place them in the center. And then you can offset the flowers with the shorter stems to different heights. And arranging them like this allows you to make a nice open bouquet. So zinnias make wonderful bouquets to bring into your house. They'll last for an entire week, and it's good to cut them early in the morning when the plants are still cool, and it doesn't ever give them a chance to wilt, and you put them right into fresh water and change the water every couple days, and you have great zinnia bouquets. Zinnias are really easy and fun cut flowers to grow, and you can find many varieties for sale at reneesgarden.com. Thanks for watching.